Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse a form template or create variations of the same survey without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the forms you want to work with, as this will ensure you have access to all your existing templates and designs. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your created forms are stored and organized. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This displays your most recently accessed or created forms, making it easy to find what you're working on. Click on the form you want to duplicate. This will open the form in the editor view where you can see all the questions, sections, and settings you've previously configured. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a three-dotted vertical menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your form. From this menu, select Make a Copy. This action initiates the duplication process and prepares Google Forms to create an exact replica of your current form. A dialog box will appear on your screen, prompting you to enter a name for your copied form. In this field, type in a descriptive name that helps you distinguish this duplicate from the original. You might want to include words like copy, a version number, or the specific purpose this duplicate will serve. This naming step is important for keeping your forms organized, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. Once you've entered your preferred name, click the Make a Copy button at the bottom of the dialog box. Google Forms will now process your request and create the duplicate. Give it a moment to complete this action, as it needs to replicate all the questions, formatting, and settings from your original form. After the duplication is complete, head back to your Google Forms dashboard by clicking on the Forms logo or navigating back through your browser. Here, you should see your newly duplicated form appear among your recent forms. It will have the name you just assigned to it, making it easy to identify. Additionally, this duplicated form will automatically be saved to your Google Drive. If you want to verify this or organize your forms further, simply open Google Drive. You'll find the duplicate form listed among your files, typically in the same folder as your original form or in your main Drive directory. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your Google form and can now customize it as needed without affecting the original. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.